she knows.
What if we said we had candy if she would come over to the coffee?
Should we try it?
Hey little girl, I have candy.
Should we try it?
You can't. This is sick. I'm not going to jail.
It's not as good as what's in the car.
Why does she like you so much?
It's freaking weird out there. Ah, son of a bitch, there's a tree there.
Why do you keep fucking not filming her? Oh, dang it.
What?
Damn, my gas is low as shit now.
Is there a car coming?
No, but now I'm just gonna keep following her around since she doesn't care.
Oh shit, hold on. He's got a big ass branch.
What are you doing, dude?
Something named Pecker. Something named Pecker. Fucking annihilate.
Wait, don't stop filming.
I see this little girl's kid. Did you just hit the dog? What did it? She hit the dog with that
She
shit.
just looked up at her. Why is she abusing her dog?
I don't know, it's a sweet ass little dog though. Let's go ask her why she's fucking abusing that damn dog.
Ask her.
You have to roll it down and film it at the same time. No, Parker, you ask her.
No, you ask her first.
I'll ask her. Oh shit. Wrong window.
Hey,
Hey!
why are you abusing your dog? Why are you abusing your dog?
Here you are.
You hit him with a big, huge tree branch.
I was trying to get him to fix.
But I have it on camera and you hit him with it.
I was trying to fix.
What's his name? Tucker?
Tucker?
Hey puppy!
Hi, Tucker.
I was just wondering.
You should wear a helmet when you fall. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna go now.